Hey, well, hello YouTube. Here with another Blu-ray unboxing, and I got all 5 Halloweens in 4K UHD. So let's get this unboxing going here. Alright guys, let's start with the first one, the original classic Halloween. I really was not impressed with the 2018 release by Lionsgate, their 4K release. It just didn't look right to me. I know John Carpenter had filters on his cameras, and it just enhanced that in the daytime scenes, and really it just didn't look right to me. I have heard that that was the interposit negative, and that Screen Factory went back and used the original camera negative. Now that I look at the artwork, it looks fine to me. I didn't like it at first when I saw it on online, but it really is nice now that you see it in person. Now this transfer, I'm hearing, is way better than the Lionsgate, so really looking forward to checking it out. This one on Blu-ray. Now this is on Blu-ray, right? Yeah, Blu-ray, the original color timing. I don't think I've seen that. Next up is Halloween 2. My favorite in the franchise. Kind of brings back more memories for me. I did see this with a group of friends from school. And of course the place was in the theater was crowded. You get the usual screams in the audience. It was a great time for me back then. I know that they have the original posters on the other side. I will be using those. Original in 4K, Halloween 2 in 4K. Regular Blu-ray. I like that the new transfers are on the Blu-ray. Of course, this is a DVD of the televised cut. Next up, Halloween 3. Yeah. I hated it when I saw it in the theater, and a lot of people did back in the day. I remember extensively people walking out the theater, you know, after the movie was over, and they were saying things like, "Where was Michael?" and, you know, "This movie sucked." A lot of people were upset. You know, back then you didn't have the internet or anything like that, so a lot of people thought that Michael was going to be in it. Loose disc. All right. Halloween 3. And of course they put it in an eco case, which I hate. I'm gonna have to find a 2-disc 4K case for this. Next up is Halloween 4. Oof, the return of Michael Myers. Can't say I'm the biggest fans of this movies, 4 and 5, but they're okay. Another eco case. Screen Factory, you gotta stop doing that. Next up, this is one This one I actually liked. I don't know why, but I did. The Revenge of Michael Myers, Halloween 5. From what I'm hearing, they say 4 has the best 4K transfer. Blu-ray. I think this one has the worst looking mask of Michael Myers. 4K. Okay, I did turn the inserts over. .9% of the time I will choose the original poster, theatrical. These look really nice. Gotta say, I think Screen Factory hit it out of the park. Well, I did get a case for it, but this is a steelbook lenticular case. I tried to use a standard steelbook case, but it wouldn't. The lid would not close. Yeah, this one closes. Yeah. So all you gotta do is get the one with for the lenticular case. 8. If you like this unboxing, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and give me a thumbs up. See you guys later.